Hello YouTube. I've got a problem here with my 96 Range Rover. I've got a weird kind of humming or a whirring noise. I really don't know. You'll get to listen to it. But it sounds like it's coming back here, maybe underneath here. Could be a viscous coupling. I'm pretty sure it's not the front U-joints because the prop shaft was replaced about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. I don't know, I've just tried tearing it apart and finding everything, looking at everything to see if I can find anything obvious, but I can't. It's a 96 American spec Range Rover. It's got 752,000 miles. Runs and drives fine. Four-wheel drive works great. But as I approach about 30 miles an hour, you'll hear the noise. You can probably start hearing it now. Goes with speed. See if you can. I do not want to keep driving it like this. It stopped. And it continues right back up. Like I said, it sounds like it's coming from the rear diff. I checked the rear differential fluid. There were small amounts of fluid, of metal shavings, but there wasn't anything, I didn't take the cover off and inspect it to look for if the carrier had lost any teeth, if there was any metal fatigue or cracking. I guess I'll see what everyone's experiences is, and then tomorrow I guess I'll go ahead and pull off the rear differential cover to take a look at it. I got a ride to drive around in. Let me know what you guys think.